Hello folks, Tech20 here, coming at you with another video. Today we're going to learn how to auto-populate numbers, which basically make them count down your rows, as well as dates. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. So we'll start out with cell A1, and that's indicated up here. And what we're going to do is just go ahead and put a 1 in there, and a 2 in the second one, and we're going to go ahead and highlight both cells. And you see that little square at the lower right hand corner where it turns into a black cross. Just go ahead and hover over that and then drag it down as far as you want it to go. And it will go ahead and number all of your columns for you right there, as you can see. So, and now if you're doing this with the date, so we'll go ahead and start out at 12 14 22 and then 12 15 22, and you can go ahead and do the same thing there. Highlight that down, and it'll do the same exact thing. It'll auto-populate all the future dates after that particular date. And that's it for this tutorial. If you're finding this content helpful, please do feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.